veramente italiano. Right, we had a good night's sleep. I woke up around 6 o'clock in the morning. I said, it's too early, I'm gonna stay another half an hour. 9 o'clock in the morning. The plan for today, we're gonna have a coffee, obviously Italian coffee, and we're gonna go and visit one of the most important archaeological place for the human history, Pompei. And but before we get there, we have to battle with the Italian traffic, so that will be interesting. Never mind, coffee first, then Pompei, and after that we're gonna go to Amalfi to visit the town. I mean, no wonder they are so sharp in the morning. There's like 5, 6, 7 coffees in UK, so. So, what did I told you about the Italian traffic is worth coming to Pompei only to experience the true Italian traffic. Jesus! and don't ever pay the asking price. So it's a bit of a rip-off for €5, even €5 for a bike, but we have a nice shaded place. And with this, our visit to Pompei is finished. Jesus, it's a busy place. In the morning before we left our hotel, I had a chat with a friend of mine, which happens to be Italian. Thanks, Nigel. He told me it's going to be busy, but you know, I said I'm gonna come and visit it anyway, because this will give you an idea about how people used to live and how advanced they used to be back then. So yeah, nice visit if you have a lot of time. Do you like this crowded place?
I do.
I don't. Too many people. Ragazzi, come si dice? Mamma mia! Hey, come here, yeah? Forget about Pompei as a city to go and visit it. Forget about Amalfi as a city to go and visit. If you're a keen biker like I am, Jesus Christ, I have only one thing that I feel sorry about today's ride, especially in this afternoon. I wish I could have Otis tires, not my ones, to push it a bit more. Now it's time for a cold one. You guessed it. Until tomorrow. Tomorrow is another adventure. Probably we're not going to shoot anything tomorrow because we have to push it from here to somewhere half through Italy in Arezzo to meet with some good friends around there. So tomorrow I'll take a break. So until next time, peace. Oti, mindem ok.
Beke.
Beke, mindem ok.